I'm recording. Sam, that is a freaking giant.
Here, record whenever, dude.
I'm recording.
And we'll let him come in. He's coming.
Okay, get ready, Sam. Get ready to shoot him, Sam. He is mad, dude. Sam, this is gonna be the biggest deer of your life, buddy.
Ready?
Yep. You hit him. You hit him good. You hit him good. You hit him good. He's gonna go down. Oh, you hit him good twice. Good, two good shots. Two good shots. He's gonna go down, buddy. He's gonna go down. He's going down. He's down. He's down. He's down. He's down. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Yes. That's a freaking giant, dude. Let's freaking go. How do you feel, Sam? How do you feel, dude? How do you feel,
Dude,
man?
I told you I wasn't going to shoot with my gun unless he was freaking huge.
That's a giant.
You rattled him in.
You rattled him in, dude. Oh my God.
You get great footage.
I got great footage. I got all of it. I got all of it, Sam. He's down right there, dude. He's down right there. You killed him dead right there. You double heart punched him, dude. Freaking it, man. I freaking love you, brother. I'm so proud of you, man.
Screw this crap.
Let's go check him out, man. He's down right here. You have another one in just in case he jumps up?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you that first shot stoned him. That second shot just folded him over, man.
Dude, he's so big.
Dude, he's a giant. He's a...
Hang on. Is his head up?
His head might be up. Look.
His head's still moving.
Here, let's just...
Here.
Let's give him time. Let's give him time.
He ain't going nowhere.
He ain't going nowhere, Sam.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, explain what happened, Sam.
We were packing up to leave and we went, well, shoot. Screw it, let's just rattle. We'll see what happens. And I just put my backpack on because we're about to walk out. Dude, I'm still shook up.
Don't throw up on me now, man.
And Dylan just goes, big buck. And I throw my gun up. It's a really big buck. It's not just a big buck, it's a giant. It's by far the biggest buck of my life. Oh my gosh, dude.
Opening day, baby.
It's opening day rifle. I've been hunting with that longbow forever. And it's still like that's my favorite thing in the world. Even when I was sitting there, I was like, but then I took a second look and I was like, ain't no way I'm passing that deer. There ain't no way I'm screwing this up. So I just put it on his front shoulder and you
hammered him.
He's right there.
You see that first shot, man. You hammered him.
Oh my gosh, dude. We've been hunting together for what?
6 years?
6 years and never killed a buck.
Never killed one that big.
Oh my god. Dude, look at the size of this deer. I was done playing around today. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
A little excited there, Sam?
That's a smidgen. Holy crap.
Tell me what you're thinking, man.
He's probably the biggest deer in my life. Oh my lord. Look at the neck.
Dude, his neck.
Look how he was bristled up.
He's bristled up, too.
He was coming in to whoop some tail.
We got a little bit of footage of us rattling, so
Yeah.
we'll have that.
That's probably the... I don't even know what to say, dude. There's my second shot. Oh gosh. Dude, we gotta make some. Neither of us have a phone.
No, both our phones are dead. We gotta charge them before we can even touch this book.
Species deer. Date, what the frick is today?
The 9th, I think.
Today is November 9th. 11-9-24. Sex, male. County, bleep. Y'all gonna get to know that. Then I've got to go in here and go to Kentucky Fish and Wildlife. I don't know if that's not right. KY. KY Fish and Wildlife. Come in here. And for the first time in 4 years, I'm telechecking a buck.
Good on you, bud.
Yeah, he looks.
It don't get much better than that, Sam. It don't get much better than that.
You wanted some, didn't you, buddy? Oh my lord.
Knocked over.
This deer might be older than I think.
Really?
He's got no bottom teeth
Really?
at all. Dude, look at all the character in him. Look at the curly freaking brows. This is probably the biggest deer we've shot off this property, which in retrospect is not like as huge as some of the deer that my family's killed. But this property does not, we don't hold deer. We're a travel corridor, and this buck, I'm pretty sure we have this buck on camera. And if it's so, I'll insert it in the footage after we edit. But just look, dude, show the camera. Look at his hindquarters. This steer's so big. Body. Dude. Dude. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's take pictures. SD card.
Here's his first shot. First shot did it. Second shot for reassurance.
Second shot on the other side, dude. As long as I got bullets and he's still standing, I'm still shooting. Look, oh my gosh, dude, just look at how big his body is. Just